Alright, for my science project, I've made this extension cord with plugs on both ends, and I'm going to stab a can of shaving cream with it, and it's going to fly backwards slightly, and that's going to be the physics. So here's basically what it does.
I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
Oh, that's lame. Well, I was kind of hoping.
Wow! Look at it squirt! Damn! It's still doing it! Look at it go! Look at it go!
That didn't go at all. There we go.
I don't think it likes that very much. Ew, you smell that? That's so gross.
This concludes the experiment. We have successfully blown up 1 and 2 cans of shaving cream. They didn't tip over very much. Popped a fuse, and that's basically it.